Sabi nila, ang insurance ay scam, dagdag sa gastusin at komplikado. What if hindi yan maaasahan? What if hindi naman pala totoo? Nay, tay, kaibigan, let us go back to basics. It's as simple as 1 to 5. 1. We are your one-stop shop for a wide array of insurance solutions, ensuring you are secured in all aspects of your life. Licensed din tayo under the Insurance Commission. Galing, di ba? 2. We also offer 2 services. Life insurance that will definitely help you in this lifetime and beyond. A non-life insurance for protecting things that matter to you. 3. Ang Manila Bankers Assurance ay may 3 misyon. Una, to give you peace of mind. Pangalawa, to give you and your family protection. At panghuli is to help you show your love in the best way possible. 4. Ang Manila Bankers Assurance ay for everyone, kahit sino ka man, o anuman ang estado mo sa buhay. Manila Bankers Assurance won't let you down. 5. For more than 5 decades, Manila Bankers Assurance has been strong, stable, and secure. Serving many Filipinos worldwide, we are one of the longest-standing insurance companies in the Philippines, and we are here to stay. Kaya mula noon hanggang ngayon, kasama natin at patuloy nating makakasama ang Manila Bankers Assurance, your partner in life's what-ifs. What if subukan mo?